Hello students, welcome to today's session. In this session, let us discuss about chapter number 8, similar triangles, exercise 8.2, question number 1. In the given figure, angle ADE equal to angle CBA. It is given in the question. Coming to question number 1, they are asking to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AD. So ABC is the whole triangle and AD is the sub triangle. Okay, ABC we call as big triangle, AD is smaller triangle. Okay, that we need to prove they are equal. If you consider triangle ABC, in both the triangles, angle A equal to angle A common, angle A equal to angle A which is common to both the triangles, and also it is given in the question angle ADE is similar to angle ABC. This is given in the question. This is our angle only. This is also angle. So I can say that by A criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. By A criteria, we can say that the two triangles are similar. Now coming to second one, they are asking to find the value of D. Our two triangles are big triangle ABC, smaller triangle AD. Okay, actually they are asking to find the value of D. This is about the value of D. Given AD is 3.8, AE 3.6, BE 2.1, BC is given 4.2. Okay, if you consider these two triangles ADE and ABC, what is the corresponding side of ED? Corresponding side of ED is BC. Corresponding side of ED is DE is BC. Let me write corresponding side of DE is BC, and the corresponding side of AE is AB. Actually, we need to find the value of DE only. BC is given 4.2, AE is given 3.6. What is AB? AB is nothing but AE plus BE. That only little bit confusion. So 3.6 plus 2.1, that is equal to 5.7. That's all. Right? So now which table? 3 table. 3 12 are 36. 3 1 are 3. 3 9. Again, I think it will not go with any table. Now cross multiplication. DE equal to 12 into 4.2 divided by 19. So let us multiply. 42 into 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 2s are 2, 1 4s are 4. That is equal to 504, 50.4 divided by 19. So 504 divided by 19. 19 2s are 38. 10 minus 8 2. 19 6 are 114. 10 0. 19 5 are 95. I mean DE equal to 2.65 centimeter. Okay, so this is our question number 1. Okay, simply they are asking to prove that first one, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, and the second one they are asking to find what is the length of DE. We got the length of DE is approximately 2.65 centimeter. So this is our question number 1. Okay. Now coming to question number 2, the perimeter of two similar triangles are 30 centimeters and 20 centimeters. I am doing here second question. The perimeter of two triangles. For example, this is triangle ABC and this is triangle DEF. The perimeter of two similar triangles are 30 centimeters and 20 centimeters respectively. So, two similar triangles they said, right? So, I can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Perimeter of triangle ABC is given 30 centimeter. Similarly, perimeter of triangle DEF is given 20 centimeter. Right? If one side of the first triangle is 12 centimeter, one side of the first triangle is 12 centimeter. For example, AB equal to 12 centimeter. If one side of triangle is 12 centimeter, now they are asking to determine the corresponding side of second triangle. What is the corresponding side of AB? AB corresponding side is DE, let it be x centimeter. Did you understand the question? The perimeter of two similar triangles. They said similar. Already they said they are similar triangles. Perimeter of triangle ABC is given 30 centimeter and perimeter of triangle DEF is given 20 centimeter. One side of the first triangle is 12 centimeter. Now determine the corresponding side of another triangle. Right? See, as we need to find the value of DE here. We need to find the value of D. Thus, if they are similar, their corresponding sides are in the same proportion, no doubt at all. Okay. So, as the perimeter of triangle ABC is to perimeter of triangle DEF is as AB is to D. AB is to D. So 30 is to 20. I can cancel 0, 0. I can write as 3 by 2 is equal to AB. What is the length of AB? Given length of AB is 12 by D. 3 table, 3 1 jar, 3 4 jar. So 1 into DE equal to 2 into 4, 2 4 jar, 8 centimeters. So what is the length of DE? As the length of DE is 8 centimeter. Okay. This is also important one more question. No need of confusing, they have given perimeters here. So, of course, they are also in the same proportion. So, 30 is to 20 is as 12 is to x. After doing simplification, you will get the value of D. Okay. Now, coming to question number 4. A girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. The girl height of 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post. Base of the lamp post. See children, this is the lamp post. Suppose consider as AB, whose height is 3.8 meters. And the second one, a girl is there, a girl of height, suppose she is the girl CD, her height is 90 centimeter. She is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. At a speed of 1.2 meter per second. See, if you observe as the height of the girl is 90 centimeter, and the height of the lamp post is 3.8 meters, which is in centimeter, whereas the height of the lamp post is in meters. So units must be into the same. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Hence 3.8 meters is equal to 3.8 into 100, that implies 380 centimeter. So what is the height of the lamp post? 380 centimeter. Okay. And what is the speed of the girl? Given speed is equal to 1.2 meter per second. What is the speed? 1.2 meter per second. They are asking to find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Let the length of the shadow at a distance of 4.28 meters. Listen now. They are asking what is the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. This is our question. Length of her shadow after 4 seconds, right? Here we know speed. She is traveling with a speed of 1.2 meter per second. She is traveling with a speed of 1.2 meter per second, and they are asking what is the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. So we have a relationship between speed, distance and time. So distance is equal to speed into time, as speed is 1.2 into 4. 4 2 is 8, 4 1 is 4. 4.8 meters. Again let us convert meters into centimeters. It will become 480 centimeter. When she is traveling with a speed of 1.2 meter per second, what is the distance traveled? Let the distance see. This is the base of lamp post, and she is the girl. She is walking away from the base of. Suppose I am the girl. I am the lamp post. One more girl is standing beside me. She is walking away from the base of lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. At a speed of 1.2 meter per second. Now, she is traveling with a speed of 1.2 meter per second. After 4 seconds, she will cover some distance, right? From the base of lamp post, she will cover some distance. What is the distance? Distance formula is speed into time. As speed is 1.2 meters, into time is 4 seconds. Into time how much? Time is 4 seconds. So distance is equal to speed into time. As speed is 1.2 into 4, 4.8 meters, 480 centimeter. After 4 seconds, she was here. She covered a distance of 480 centimeter. She covered a distance of 480 centimeter. Okay. They are asking after 4 seconds what is. They are asking after 4 seconds find the length of her shadow. She is here. This is the length of her shadow. Let it be x centimeter. అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయింది బేస్ ఆఫ్ ల్యాంప్ పోస్ట్ దగ్గర at 1.2 meter per second. So after 4 seconds ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుంది? 480 centimeter. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిందండి. What is the length of her shadow they are asking? Let x be the length of her shadow. Let us join A, B, C, D. Let it be E. Let us join A to E. Now if you consider these two triangles, we got two triangles. What are the two triangles? Consider triangle, small triangle CDE and ABE, right? Now for both the triangles, angle E is common. Both the triangles angle E is common. So angle E equal to angle E, which is common to both the triangles. Okay. And angle D equal to angle B. Angle D equal to angle B, each 90 degrees. So by AA criteria, I can say that triangle CDE is similar to triangle ABE. They are similar triangles. If they are similar, their corresponding sides are into the same ratio. So the corresponding side of CD is AB. CD corresponding side is AB, and ED corresponding side is EB. ED corresponding side is EB. So length of CD is 90, length of AB is 380, 3.8 or 3.6 meters. Actually 3.6 meters, children, this is. If it is 3.6 centimeter, this will become 360, right? So 360 equal to length of EB is x centimeter and EB is nothing but x plus 480. X plus 480. Right? 90 table, 91 ja, 94 ja. Now cross multiplication, 1 into 480 plus x is equal to 4 into x, 4x. Let it be 480 here only, plus x you transpose, 4x minus x. So 480 equal to 4x minus x, 3x. 3 1 ja, 3 160 ja. So what is the length of x? What is the length of her shadow after 4 seconds? Her shadow length is 160 centimeter. This is the length of her shadow, which is 160 centimeter. Children, did you understand? They are asking, this is little bit, this concept you have to know the relationship between speed, distance and time. We know that distance is equal to speed into time. What is the distance travelled from base of the lamp post after 4 seconds? Distance travelled after 4 seconds is 480 centimeter. Distance travelled after is 480 centimeter. Then we got the answer. Okay. In the similar question, we have one more question. In question number, that is question number 8, children. The similar question. This is little bit more easy. Let us discuss that also. The similar questions I am discussing at once. 8th question. A flagpole 4 meter tall cast a 6 meters. A flagpole 4 meter tall. This is flagpole which is 4 meter tall. Cast a shadow 6 meters. Is it clear? Statement number 1. Flagpole 4 meter tall. Cast a shadow 6 meters. Similarly, second one. At the same time, a nearby building cast a shadow of 24 meters. At the same time, a nearby building, this is the building, cast a shadow 24 meters. Now they are asking to find how tall is the building. How tall is the building? So this is the height of the building. Let it be h. Let us consider. Let us name the triangle ABC, PQR. This is the flagpole whose height is 4 meter, cast a shadow 6 meter. At the same time, height of the building, cast a shadow 24 meters. They are asking to find how tall is the building. If you observe, these two triangles are similar triangles, right? So, as they said, these two triangles are similar triangles. Okay, because if you consider triangle ABC and triangle PQR, at the same time a nearby building is present. Here angle A equal to angle P as well as angle B equal to angle Q. Both are angles only. So by angle criteria, I can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Corresponding side of AB is PQ, AB corresponding side is PQ, and BC corresponding side is QR. What is the length of AB? 4. Length of PQ is H. BC is 6. QR is 24. So 6 1 ja, 6 4 ja. So H into 1, H equal to 4 into 4, 4 4 ja, 16. So what is the height of the, how tall is the building? The height of the building is 16 centimeter. Is it clear, children? Question number 4 and question number 8, little bit similarity question. That is the reason at a time I am explaining. Okay.